The Frontline Compact Total Droplet Control applicator delivers the same excellent weed control and safe simple operating as our industry-leading classic applicator, but with a convenient click-and-go system and more compact integrated lance design. The Frontline Compact is even more portable, more lightweight and more easily stored, making it the ideal solution for smaller, shorter projects and small-scale maintenance. Here's how to make the most of your Frontline Compact. Once suitably dressed, open the battery compartment at the top of the handle. Slot in 4 AA batteries and securely close the compartment. Remember to wear appropriate PPE before you begin using your applicator. After all, nothing's more important than your own safety. Now it's time to collect your herbicide cartridge from safe storage. It's important you shake the cartridge thoroughly before use. We recommend a full 2 minutes of shaking to ensure the herbicide is fully mixed and ready to apply. Once thoroughly mixed, unclip the opening at the upper end of the lance. Push the chemical cartridge firmly into place. Then close the clip to ensure it's fully secured. There are calibration instructions included with your product label. Make sure you've got them to hand. Now you're ready to prime and calibrate your Frontline Compact. The bottom of the lance has a dial and display. Turn the dial to prime. The handle of the lance has 2 more controls. Change the dial to the off position, which is at 12 o'clock. Press and hold the trigger on. At the bottom of the lance is a transparent chamber. As soon as you see the chamber fill with herbicide, release the trigger to stop the flow. Your product label will give you the correct calibration settings, which vary according to walk speed, disc selection, and desired spray width. There's a choice of 3 disc sizes: spiral, square, and serrated. Spiral is for a narrow spray width, square for a medium width, and serrated for the largest application width. Now push the calibration cup onto the end of the lance. Then use the lower dial to select the correct flow rate as shown in the product label. Now press and hold the trigger to fill the calibration cup. Allow the herbicide to fill the calibration for the time stipulated on the label, before checking that the flow rate achieved corresponds with that indicated on the product guidance. Turn the lance upwards, then press and hold the trigger to run the herbicide back into the applicator, emptying the calibration cup. That's the calibration sorted, so you can remove the calibration cup and place it in a sealable bag. Now it's time to fit the disc that you've calibrated the applicator for. The upper dial can be turned to the walking speed used during calibration. The button below the upper dial will give an audible indication of correct walking speed if pressed. This can be switched off if preferred. Your Frontline Compact Total Droplet Control applicator can spray for around 35 hours on the power supplied by a single set of batteries. It's ideal for immediate operation and is suitable in a range of surroundings, including streets, pavements, paths, gravelled areas, along with shrub beds and mowing obstacles. We hope you'll feel confident knowing you're spraying with a more targeted and environmentally friendly form of weed control. We're almost certain you'll feel comfortable with the compact, lighter weight and versatile handheld system. And with the fully integrated click-and-go lance system, we believe the Frontline Compact provides a solution that's as fast and simple as it is effective. Once finished, simply twist the lower dial back to prime. Drain the herbicide in the lance back into the pack. Simply press and hold the trigger on to open the valve. Then once fully drained, release the trigger off to close the valve. Unfasten the lance from the herbicide cartridge, then ensure the container is securely fastened. Once you've returned the herbicide cartridge to safe storage, it's time to clean your applicator. This step is crucial to keeping your applicator in good working order. Pull out your Frontline Compact Universal Cleaner, then simply repeat the steps you followed when attaching the herbicide to the applicator. Press and hold the trigger on to run the solution through the lance until the liquid turns visibly green. Now simply detach the lance from the Universal Cleaner, then safely drain away any remaining solution. Please don't drain the Universal Cleaner back into the box, as it may contain traces of herbicide. You're ready to pack away. confident in knowing that you've spent your day using one of the most effective, responsible and efficient forms of weed control.